Well, before everything, you also have to wash your rice clean. And there's some type of rice that have stones. You have to pick the stones from the rice so that you do not chew the stones while eating. So let's wash up our rice. It does not require maybe a specific amount of water, but you just have to wash your rice clean like I'm doing it. Okay, I can see the rice is pure white. Yeah, very nice rice. So let's try and wash our rice. After you have ensured that your rice is super clean, it's now time for you to put the rice into the boiling water. Your water is recommended that it also has to have boiled so that the oil and the salt, yeah, would have been cooked. Okay, so let's put our clean rice into the boiling water. You can see our rice is super clean now. Let's do this. So I think our water has boiled. Yeah. Our water has boiled now. Let's put our, and also you have to be very careful not to burn your hands while trying to put the rice into the water. You have to be very careful because it's boiling water. Yeah, so you have to be very careful. Well, after that you have to stir just a little bit your rice to remove the ones that have stuck on the ground of the sufuria, and then you cover up your sufuria or your cooking pot and then reduce the amount of fire so that it does not burn quickly or cook quickly but cook professionally. Yeah, so you have to reduce the amount of fire. You can see our rice is boiling, and then now it's time for you to wait. Yeah, I think you have put your salt, put your cooking oil, and everything that is required. Now it's time for you to just sit, relax, and watch your rice boil. Yeah.
stunting, I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Step one, wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step two, get some food. Step three, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wait. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.